Dogecoin holders doing one big mistake in the last day of this month, my brother. Today is the last day of this month and holders doing one of the big mistake. So therefore I make this video for all holder my friends to try to understand to don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss. You can see Dogecoin, one of the unique coin this time in the crypto market today fails down. You can see all crypto market is wake up, and those days especially all crypto is wake up now. So exactly why Dogecoin is fails down completely, the price has come to zero, my brother. You can see here Dogecoin prices come to very badly decrease now. And remember, this is not a financial video, this is not a promo video. I just advise you, my brother, to what you do. Please you also share your opinion and research personally if you take any decision, my brother. So you can say first of all, see the update. You can see this time the last 1 hour percentage, if you can say minus 0.71%. Dogecoin holder, I give you two advice, my brother, and absolutely you research personally. Otherwise, my friends, if you are lost, then absolutely ABS takes channel will never, my friends, absolutely. So this time you can see here minus 0.71% they fell down. So it's mean to they go and then the lost completely, they go very badly and very slowly fell down, especially from last 1 month, my brother. The price come to 0.7 to 0.3 USD dollar. It's mean to the price. You can see here 0.4 USD dollar they lost now. So just in only in 1 month, it's mean to in June, my brother, they will fail, they come to zero. Yes, absolutely, this is possible to they will come zero. Just in only Dogecoin is, my friends, not good for a long-term investor. So try to understand, if you invest for a short time, absolutely, my friends, this is going to be good. But Dogecoin holder, try to understand to the price cannot decrease now or more increase now. So let's see, my brother, last 3 months chart, then absolutely we understand to upcoming time there is one chance today they will wake up again and they're in the mood. Yeah, let's see. This time, if you can say, my brother, after a jump they fails down, you can say completely every frequency is moving at this circulation. But definitely, if you can see here, my friends, they take a short jump, but absolutely they fails down more and more. So it's mean 100% mean, my friend. A lot of coin like that, especially like Doge, like Shiba, these cryptocurrencies just in only moving off for promotion, my brother. If someone promote this coin, exactly they're going in the moon, my brother. But definitely after promotion, exactly they very badly fails down. So therefore you can see here Dogecoin is also fails down. So I recommend you, my brother, to Shiba is also like that now. In those days he is viral, is in the trending. But I know, my brothers, to upcoming times they will go down, the price will badly decrease now. So you need to especially if you want to invest in these type coins, exactly, please do for investing for short time, no for a long time. If you want to invest for a long time, exactly, my friends, Cardano, Xorphi, and my friends WeChat, like these type coins, use stable, my friend, in the crypto market. Invest now in these type coins. You can see, my friends, after promotion, just in only this coin is moving up. For otherwise, if you can say, my friends, this completely fails down. So, my brother, you need to research personally before take any decision. But try to understand, my brothers, Dogecoin is fails down and there is no chance to they will moving upward and they wake up again in the June, my brothers. Try to understand. Please like this video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. ABS Tech channel will guide you and absolutely update you.